Hi everybody, Don Giannetti, lighting-essentials.com and project52prosystem.com, where we train photographers to be working professionals. It's the most unique class on the internet. We enroll twice a year. Our next enrollment's coming up in March. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, go to the website project52prosystem.com and sign up for the little informational email. We're not going to spam you a bunch, but we're going to keep you informed and involved. Listen, I'm just here to tell you a little bit about something I'm doing this Friday coming up, November 29th, 2019, is Black Friday. This is the third Black Friday event that I am doing, and my Black Friday events are free, and we don't try to sell you stuff. Yeah. I don't have any actions for sale, no presets, no ebooks. Just want to help out. Well, here's what we're going to do. One of my Project 52 members did a very long and inspiring project where she photographed 200 people from her county for the county bicentennial. She put 2.5 hours into creating this, 2.5 years into creating this book. 2.5 hours, that would have been definitely a conversation. 2.5 years into creating this book. And she's got a lot of great stories to tell about some of the portraits that she did and how she put it all together and what it means to the county and what it means to her. So we're going to talk with Anjali Fong at 8 a.m. Pacific. There's a link down below where you can go and click on it, and all the links are there. You can just click a link and join us at that appropriate time. We're not asking for your email. We're not going to put you on the list. Love to have you on the list, but not going to demand that from you. If you want to take the class, take the class. At 10 a.m. Pacific, we're going to be arranging one of my members' photography into a print portfolio. Working with print portfolios, you've got a flow that happens. That doesn't really happen with mosaic galleries on the web, and I know a lot of us like mosaic galleries. I do. All the thumbnails come up on the page. You click the one you like and what have you. And it's very hard to control how one picture sits next to another picture, because as the flow is going to be different on a phone than it is on a tablet, than it is on a laptop or a tabletop or desktop. So lots of information there. We're going to study how pictures can lead the viewer through the book, and talk about some glaring mistakes not to make, and also how you can influence your style through the way you print that book. If you're asking me, should you have an analog book? Oh, hell yes. I'm sorry. Some of these people, you don't need a portfolio. Yeah, hit them in the face with a pie. Preferably pumpkin, because of the season. We're going to design a simple promo piece, 4 images, folded, something that you could print for a promotional piece, because direct mail promotional is still very popular and still very important. And if you don't use it as that, you can use it as a leave behind on meetings and lots of other ways to use this. But it's important for photographers to know how to do this. You don't want to always run and spend a lot of money with somebody else to do it, when you can, you're visual people. You can build a good visual literacy and build some nice pieces with this. So we're going to design a simple promo piece. That's at 12 noon Pacific. And again, the link is on the page, link below. And then at 2 p.m. Pacific, we're going to talk about natural light and advanced approach. I think a lot of folks think of natural light as just, whatever's there. And sorry, that's not how I think of natural light at all. In fact, my natural light kit is pretty darn huge. We've got everything from mirrors to bright mylars to shiny silver, shiny gold, white reflectance boards, scrims, stands, booms, everything. Because yes, natural light is beautiful, but if we just accept it for what it is and go, okay, well, this is all I got, you're missing a bet. There's some incredibly nice things that you can do with natural light if you understand some of the tools and some of the properties that natural light can give you. So it'd be kind of an advanced look at Natural Light, and that's at 2 p.m. on November 29th. My third annual big, it's free all day Black Friday sale. So that's it. 4 shows. I've put them two hours apart because presentation's about an hour, and now we'll stick around afterwards to answer any questions and keep everybody informed. And if you have questions, don't worry, we'll get to your question. So that's it. If you like my channel, by the way, hit the button and push the bell, or push the button and hit the bell. I don't know. Do whatever you want with the button and the bell. But if you subscribe, you might be surprised about some stuff coming down the line. It's going to be kind of fun. We've already done a couple of videos. I can't wait to start pushing them out. So everybody have a great one. Have a great Thanksgiving if you're here in the States. And if you're not here in the States, on Thursday, it's traditional to eat food. See you next time.